Hey guys, imagine this, you just lost your phone. It's not just a gadget, it holds your contacts, photos, banking apps, and personal information. Panic sets in. But what if I told you there's a way to actually block and potentially recover your lost or stolen phone using just one thing, the IMEI number? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get assistance to track a lost or stolen phone using its IMEI number, step by step, without needing any fancy tech tools. And yes, this method works if you're in India and your phone supports an Indian SIM. Stay with me, because missing even one detail could cost you the chance to recover your phone. First things first, grab a laptop, PC, or an Android device and open any web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, anything works. Now, type this into the search bar, CIR track lost phone. Click on the first result or go directly to www.cir.gov.in. This is the official portal from the Indian government dedicated to tracking and blocking stolen or lost phones. This method works for both Android and iPhone as long as your phone had an Indian SIM. Once you're on the home page, click on the Block Stolen or Lost Mobile option. You'll be taken to a form that looks official and straightforward. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Enter the mobile number that was active on the lost phone. Now, ideally, you've already gotten a replacement SIM with the same number. This is crucial for verification later on. Step 2. Enter the IMEI number of your lost phone. You can find the IMEI on the phone box, the invoice, or if you've ever used Find My Device, it shows up there too. Step 3. Select your device brand and model. Upload the invoice if you have it. It's optional, but helps speed up verification. Step 4. Now, provide the lost phone details like the location, date, and the state where it was lost. Step 5. Upload a copy of the FIR or missing complaint. This should be issued by your local police station. If you haven't filed one yet, do it first. It's mandatory. Step 6. Scroll down and enter your personal details. Name, address, ID proof, like Aadhaar, PAN, or voter ID, and your ID number. Step 7. Solve the CAPTCHA. Enter the phone number again, request the OTP, and then finally, submit the form. And just like that, you've submitted an official request to block your lost phone. Once submitted, you'll receive a request ID. Write this down or save it somewhere safe. You'll need it later to unblock your phone if it's recovered. Now here's how the tracking works. The department will use your IMEI details to track your phone across networks. If they find it, they'll contact you by call or email. If you're lucky and your phone is found, here's how to unblock it. Go back to www.cir.gov.in. Click on Unblock Found Mobile. Enter your request ID and the same mobile number. Choose the reason, recovered by police, found by self, or blocked by mistake. Solve the CAPTCHA, verify with an OTP, and click Submit. Within a few hours, your phone will be unblocked and ready for use. Have you ever lost a phone before? Did you try using your IMEI number to recover it? Let me know your experience in the comments. I read every single one. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on important tech tips that can actually save your data and maybe even your device. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. Until next time, take care, my friend.